Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, Paritosh's Excel Tips. I'm guessing you're here because you want to learn a little bit about Excel. Well, you've come to the right place. I have broken Excel down into bite sized pieces. For someone who's a beginner, Excel can be a little intimidating. So, what I've done is I've created a few videos that are 2 to 3 minutes long so you can learn Excel one function at a time. If you like my videos, please feel free to comment on them, please feel to like them, and also feel free to subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear your feedback. I have had a 12-year long journey through Excel, and I've discovered that I learn something new every single day. I hope my Excel journey and your Excel journey are very similar. I hope you find Excel to be as fun, as awesome, as functional, and as powerful as I have found it through the years.